My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has done just over 69,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our Think Blue trainer and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot. Just below the screen we have our AC, and if we click our mode button, we can access our 4 different driving modes, which are Eco, Normal, Sport and Individual. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.